Hello friends, today we are going to make very crispy, extra soft flaky puris to serve with tea during festivals. These puris are made with wheat flour. They are super simple to make and taste absolutely delicious. So let's start making them. We will make these puris using wheat flour. First take 2 cups of wheat flour. Now into the flour we will add half tablespoon crushed black pepper powder, half tablespoon crushed cumin seeds, half tablespoon crushed carom seeds and salt as per taste. Next take half a cup of ghee and heat it well. If we add the ghee after heating, our puris will turn out very crispy and soft. So we have now heated the ghee properly. Now start adding the hot ghee little by little into the flour and mix it well using a spoon. Then add the remaining ghee too and mix again with the spoon because the ghee is still hot. When you feel the ghee mixture has cooled down slightly and is safe to touch, mix it nicely with your hands. This step gives the flour a good moan, which helps make puris flaky. As you can see, the flour is now well mixed with ghee. Now start adding water little by little, about 1 cup in total, and begin combining the dough. As you mix, if you feel more water is needed, add a bit more and keep the kneading the dough. While kneading, make sure not to make the dough too soft. To make crispy puris, the dough should be slightly firm or tight. Once the dough comes together nicely, knead it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it becomes smooth. When the dough is ready, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare a ghee and corn flour slurry to spread between the puri layers. Take 1 tablespoon of corn flour, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and mix it well to make a medium thick consistency slurry. Set this mixture aside. Now take the rested dough, roll it into a log and cut it into small medium balls for making a rotis. Once all the dough balls are ready, start rolling them into roti. Sprinkle a little wheat flour on top and gently roll one ball into a medium thin roti. When all the rotis are ready, take one roti first. Apply the prepared ghee corn flour slurry evenly on top of it using a brush or your fingers. After spreading it, sprinkle a little wheat flour on top. Now place another roti on top and repeat the same process. Spread slurry, sprinkle flour. Do this with about 4 rotis, staking them one over another. Now gently roll this steak into a tight roll. Be careful not to tear it. Once rolled, tightly press it with your hands from all sides to tighten it properly. After the roll is ready, cut it into small pieces. These will be your puri sized portions. Make all the small portions the same way. Now take one piece, flatten it lightly with your hand and roll it out gently with a rolling pin without dusting any flour into a small medium sized puri. Repeat the same process for all the puris. Now let's fry them. Heat enough oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add 4 to 5 puris at a time. Keep the flame medium high and fry them by turning them over until they are cooked well and crispy from inside and outside. To make the puris crispy, remember these key points. While kneading, do not make the dough soft, keep it a bit stiff. Always apply ghee cornflour slurry between rotis for flaky layers. And while frying, don't fry on a high flame from the start. Keep it medium and increase slightly only if needed. Fry the puris until they turn nicely golden brown, then remove them from the oil and transfer them in a plate. Fry the remaining puris the same way. And here are our super crispy layered puris are ready. Once they cool completely to room temperature, store them in airtight container. They will stay good for 8 to 10 days. These puris are perfect to enjoy with tea, loved by both kids and adults. Do try this recipe once and let me know in the comment how you liked it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.